Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to install Python on Mac operating system. I just update my Mac operating system, and currently I am using macOS Ventura version 13.0.1, and now I'm going to install Python using Homebrew. The first of all, when I open terminal, I observe I have a shell symbol here. So if I type any bash related command, it will not work. So first I'm going to change this. Then I will create a bash underscore profile. After that, we will install Homebrew. And then we will install Python using the Homebrew. Then we will open the bash profile again, and we will provide the Python path in the .bash profile. So that is the goal. So first, let's set up this, change this shell to bash. So open terminal. On the left top corner next to the Apple logo, there is a terminal. Click terminal, then click settings. If you are not using macOS Ventura version 13.0.1, if you are using the earlier version, you may see the preferences. So they change these preferences to setting. So you will see the preferences here. So just click preferences. For me is settings. Then it will open the window. Click on general, and you see the shells open with the default logging shell. So we are going to select the second radio button. And if for you, if it is empty, just type it out /bin/bash. So you have to type exactly this, then close this window and terminate this terminal. Now open terminal again. You see it right now, it changed to the bash. Now I'm going to see if we have a bash profile or not. So open .bash underscore profile. So I don't have any bash profile in my system. So I'm going to create one. To create a bash profile, we have to use the command called touch .bash underscore profile. I'm going to open now. Open .bash underscore profile. You see the .bash underscore profile is created, currently is empty. So I'm going to close this one for now. I'll come back like after we download in Python. So next we already create this bash profile. Now we're going to download Homebrew. So just open browser and go to Google and type Homebrew. You will see brew.sh. So you will land it to this page. Under install Homebrew, you see on the paper clip or papers documents, and just click on it and you will see the green tick. So that means it has been copied. So now go back to the terminal and right click and paste and just enter. So you have to provide your password, Mac password. Now click enter. It will take some time to install all the required software. For me, it was very quick. It is because I already have I already installed previous time. Okay, so what it will do, it will download all the required packages that need to be run in the behind scene when we try to download any packages. Okay, so for me it took very quick, and for you it may take about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so you have to be just be patient. So the Homebrew is done. And next, what we can do is we don't have to start terminal. We are going to install Python, right? It's step number 1, start up terminal. So our terminal is already open. So now type Python -- version. You see, bash Python command not found. So we are going to install Python. So bureau install Python at 3.10. So this 3.10 is the version that we are going to install. So now is trying to install Python. So it will take a few minutes. So the Python is installed successfully, right? So now it gave me the little information where Python is installed. So this is the location is Python has been installed, and we are going to use this path, and we are going to copy this path and add this path to the environment variable. So I am going to open the bash profile again. Open dash open. Okay, before I do that, let me run the Python version again. You see, it still is not recognized, right? So you have to add this path in the bash profile, then we will see the Python version. Okay, so let's open the bash underscore profile. So it has been opened here. Now I'm going to copy this location, user local opt Python 3.10, and leave it. So copy this path and paste it here. And before this one, I have to type export. You see it converted to the capital letter, but I have to provide the export is a small letter. Then type path, capital letter, path equal, go at the end, put the semicolon, then $, and again path. So I copy this full path here, and then I just write export space capital PATH equal, and then after this bin, put the colon $path. Now I'm going to close this window, and I'm going to terminate this terminal. So if you have a terminal open, you have to terminate everything. Now open terminal again. This time type Python version, version. You see, now I see Python 3.10. If I say Python is 3.10. So we successfully installed Python 3.10 on Mac operating system. Thank you.